एरर्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस, एरर्स वो सारे एरर्स जो प्रोनाउन के यूज के लिए, प्रोनाउन को यूज करते हुए हम लोग मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. सो दीज आर द एरर्स इन द यूज ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. So what do we say? Pronouns are the words that are used to replace the nouns or noun groups, right? So ये वो words होते हैं जो nouns या noun के groups को replace करने के लिए बनते हैं. There are four types of pronouns. We have already studied it. It is there in one of the previous videos as well. So nominative, vocative case, which comes before the verb. Accurative or objective case that comes after the verb. Possessive case or reflexive pronouns. Now, जब भी I आएगा nominative case में, तो objective case में क्या आना चाहिए? Me. Possessive case should be my, and reflexive would be myself. Okay. If it is a we in case of nominative, so we मतलब एक से ज्यादा लोग, we are nominating. Accurative case में क्या होगा? Us. Objective case, right? So possessive, अगर आप कुछ अपना mention कर रहे हो, so possession in it would be ours or our, then it would be ourselves. So it would be ourselves in this case. अगर he से शुरू होता है तो him, his and himself आएगा. ठीक है, there is nothing called as his self. she होता है तो her, her and herself in case of reflexive pronouns. But in case of objective or possessive cases, it is always being called as her and her only. If there is a nominative case and we start it with they, what would happen? If it is a nominative case and we start it with they, the accurative case or the objective case, it would be they, which will appear after the verb. In case of possessions, it would be their, and reflexive के case में themselves. So if I say it is their house, so यानी कि कुछ possession है उनका, their house, they have to consider it themselves. So reflexive. Okay. अगर nominative case है, comes before verb, then it would be who, and if we started it with who, then accurative or objective case में क्या आना चाहिए? It would come whom, or possessive case में it would appear as whose, right? So who, whom and whose. These are the pronouns. These are the way in which the pronouns we use. We must not forget, in case of pronouns, we must not forget one thing. The pronoun one must be followed by ones. So one अगर आपने लिखा है, one must do one's duty to one's country. अपने country के साथ अपनी duty करनी जरूरी है. When one means one in number, जब आप one का मतलब एक नंबर से बात करते हो, एक नंबर, the pronoun for it is third person singular pronoun. So he, she and it. So if I say one of them has given up, एक, उन सब में से किसी एक ने छोड़ दिया, क्या? His studies. So one of them has given up his studies. Okay. So तब आप ये नहीं लिख सकते one of them has given up one's studies. Why? Because वो आपकी ड्यूटी नहीं है, अपनी पढ़ाई. So his studies आएगा. Okay. Next. Everyone, everybody must be followed by his. जब भी हम everyone या everybody लिखेंगे, हम हमेशा उसको किससे फॉलो करेंगे? We will follow it by his. So everybody must love his country, should love his country. Every student must have completed his homework. So that is how we use everyone with his country. Each, every, anyone, anybody must be followed by the singular pronoun of their person. अपने अपने person के singular pronoun को follow करेंगे. So why will they follow the singular pronouns? There is a simple reason for it, and the reason states that because we talk of one individual. In this case, if I say each, so it means I have spoken about one individual, each and every. So one individual, right? So because we are talking of one individual, So we will use the singular noun. So anyone can do this if he tries. अगर वो try करता है तो वो इसको कर सकता है. Anyone can do this. Let is followed by pronoun in the objective case. जब भी हम let से शुरू करेंगे तो pronoun in the objective case, ये objective case होता है, which means something comes after the verb. So जब भी हम let पे शुरू करेंगे, it has to come up with a pronoun in the objective case. Let him go. Let you and me solve this puzzle. Okay, so let is always followed by objective case. But and accept are followed by pronoun in the objective case. But or accept, but or accept दोनों pronouns in the objective case में आएंगे, यानी कि verb के बाद pronoun लगेगा. Everyone attended the party except him, उसको छोड़ के. Such as is followed by pronoun in the subjective case. So such as जो भी होगा वो हमेशा follow करेगा किसको? pronoun in the subjective case. I have no liking for such a man as he. जैसा वो बंदा है मेरी उसके साथ कोई liking नहीं है, right? So that these are the words how we use them. Next is verbs like enjoy, avail, pride, resign, apply, acquit, assert, absent. They are all followed by reflexive pronouns. These are the reflexive pronouns. So जितने भी ये अल्फाबेट, जितने भी ये वर्ड्स हैं, ये हमेशा हमेशा रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन को फॉलो करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने लिखा ही एब्सेंटेड, ठीक है. सो एब्सेंट आ गया ना. सो हमने पहले ही बोला एब्सेंट है तो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन आएगा ही आएगा. सो ही एब्सेंटेड हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द क्लास. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. I availed myself of the opportunity. She prides herself on her wealth and beauty. He resigned himself to fate. Okay, so this is how we use these words or alphabets. Reflexive pronouns are never used with verbs. कभी भी verbs के साथ reflexive pronoun नहीं आएंगे. So keep, conceal, qualify, spread, rest, stay. जब हम इनको verb की तरह use करते हैं तब reflexive pronoun नहीं आते. जैसे हमने use किया I stayed away from my class. I stayed away from my class. So reflexive pronoun नहीं आएगा. He qualified in the test. वो टेस्ट में क्वालिफाई हो गया. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन नहीं आएगा. She kept away from the show. Okay, so रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन नहीं आएगा. So you have to understand कि कुछ verbs ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस आते हैं, लेकिन कुछ verbs ऐसे भी हैं जिनके साथ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस नहीं आते हैं. Okay, when first, second, third person singular pronouns यानी कि I, you and he are used together, they are placed in the order. अक्सर यहाँ पे मिस्टेक होती है, हम लोग उनको ऑर्डर में कभी नहीं रख पाते नॉर्मली. सो हमने क्या बोला, जब फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस जब भी हम लिखेंगे वो एक ऑर्डर में ही होने चाहिए, अदरवाइज वी मे मेक अ मिस्टेक. ठीक है, जब भी हम उनको इकट्ठा यूज करेंगे. सो यू, ही एंड आई, ये ऑर्डर होता है. ओके, सो सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, ये ऑर्डर है. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. ठीक है, यू, ही एंड आई आर नेबर्स. यू, ही एंड आई आर नेबर्स. इन केस ऑफ प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस, जब भी प्लूरल की बात करेंगे वी पहले आएगा, दे, यू एंड देन दे. ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले वी आएगा, फिर यू आएगा और फिर they आएगा. We, you and they. So here is the difference between them. यहाँ पे सेकेंड थर्ड एंड वन था, फर्स्ट पर्सन था. यहाँ पे वी, यू एंड दे. सो वी इज the nominative case, you the second, of course, second person, and they are the third person. So first, second, third आएगा plural pronouns के केस में. Please remember this, right? So we, you and they must work together. But if we have only two persons, including first and then first person pronoun is written first. So यहाँ पे हमने देखा था कि अगर फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड तीनों बंदे हैं, तीनों पर्सन्स यूज हो रहे हैं सेंटेंस में, सो हम पहले सेकंड, फिर थर्ड, फिर फर्स्ट पर्सन लिखेंगे. बट इन द नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव सीन इज, इन दिस केस वी हैव सीन कि अगर सिर्फ दो ही बंदे हैं, ओनली टू पर्सन्स, तब हम क्या करेंगे, पहले फर्स्ट आएगा फिर सेकंड पर्सन आएगा. सो आई एंड संजीव हैव डन दिस जॉब. So first person and then the second person, right? So सबसे पहले first person आता है, फिर second person आता है. Who denotes subject and whom denotes object. We have already read this, even the table, who and whom. So whom denotes object और वो subject को denote करता है. So who and whom. Who do you think did the job? Whom did you abuse? Okay, so वो object को denote करता है, वो subject को denote करता है. Most important, whose बंदों के लिए use करते हैं. We use it for persons, which for lifeless objects. So हमेशा हम lifeless objects के लिए which ही use करेंगे. The sentence given to you is, this is the table which I was talking about. So this is the table. The table is a lifeless object. Because the table is a lifeless object, so what we will say? We'll say it is a lifeless object, so which will appear here. When it comes Sunita, he married Sunita, who is daughter of Mr. Roy. So living object, who. Okay. Next, which conveys additional information. Which way to go? Additional information. That explains a certain thing. That is my book. So हालांकि possessive case है, but it expresses कुछ चीजें, certain things. I will tell you the first thing which I remember. So additional. I am talking about traffic management. That forms a part of his duties. Okay, so that explains certain things. The following expressions usually take that in place of who or which. ये जो कुछ expressions हैं, ये सिर्फ that लेते हैं, who या which को छोड़ के. Only, any, it is, all, superlatives. So for example, he is the only man that can do it. Any man that listens to you is a fool. It is the same watch that was stolen by him. All that glitters is not gold. This is the best that we can do. So ये सारे expressions take that, who और which के केस में. हमने कई बार अक्सर ये sentences में देखा होगा जहाँ पे only आता है, हम लोग वहाँ पे who और which नहीं use करते, वहाँ पे हम हमेशा that use करते हैं. Okay? Next, each other. Each other is used for two, one another for more than two. हमेशा से हम each other दो के लिए यूज करते आए हैं and one another दो से ज्यादा के लिए. So यहाँ पे दो है, राहुल and रेनू love each other, दो है. One another कहाँ आएगा? They help one another, एक दूसरे को help कर रहे हैं. Next, the complement of the verb to be. when it is expressed by a pronoun should be in a nominative case. So उस verb का जो complement है, when it is expressed by a pronoun, जब आप pronoun से express करोगे हमेशा nominative case में होना चाहिए. Nominative case means this. Okay, so हमेशा से वो nominative case में ही होगा. So complement of the verb to be when it is expressed by a pronoun should be in the nominative case. It was he who did it. Nominative case. If I were there, if I were he, I would not go there. So nominative case he. Okay. So when the same person is the subject and the object, it is necessary to use reflexive pronouns. क्योंकि सेम बंदा है, हम दो बार उसको हिज और हर लिख नहीं सकते, सो हमें हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ लिखना ही पड़ेगा. So these books are, so I say I cut myself shaving this morning. I cut me shaving this morning, wrong sentence है. So I cut myself, me नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, जब सेम बंदे के बारे में सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट की बात हो रही है, सो उस पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे? विल ऑलवेज यूज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. नेक्स्ट, when a person is the object of a verb or preposition, जब कोई भी बंदा ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उस वर्ब और preposition का, it should be in objective case. वो हमेशा ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में ही होना चाहिए. These books are for you and me. ये बुक्स आपके और मेरे दोनों के लिए हैं. For you and me. Between him and me there is an understanding. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? पर्सन को ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब और प्रेपोजिशन यूज किया है, so, इसलिए ये ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में है. The relative pronoun should be placed as near as possible to the antecedent. हमेशा कोशिश यही करनी है कि himself, herself, yourself, themselves हमेशा एंटीसीडेंट के पास प्लेस करो, उसके आसपास लिखो. Here is the book that you lent me. I have read the works of Shakespeare, who was a great dramatist. ठीक है, सो उसके पास में प्लेस करना. नेक्स्ट, the case of the pronoun following than and as is decided by mentally supplying the verb and completing the sentence. So mentally supplying the verb and completing the sentence होना चाहिए. वो कह रहा है कोई भी वो केस, the case of the pronoun which is followed by than and is, जो than से या as से follow होता है, is decided by mentally supplying the verb and completing the sentence. So if I say, for example, she is taller than I के साथ हमेशा am होता है, लेकिन हमें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, I am ही माना जाएगा. I love you more than he loves you. तो इसका मतलब सेंटेंस तो पूरा यहाँ तक कंप्लीट होगा, बट इस केस में जब हम ही लिखेंगे तो भी बाकी एवरीथिंग एल्स इज अज्यूम्ड. I love more than I love him. ठीक है, सो more than him, I love more than him. सो इसका मतलब ये साइलेंट रहेगा. वी डू नॉट यूज, वी नीड नॉट यूज आई लव अगेन हेयर. सो जब उसने बोल दिया आई लव मोर देन हिम, सो आई अंडरस्टूड कि दिस इज द राइट सेंटेंस. So cadets, these are the errors in the use of pronouns. In case you are having an issue, please let me know.